So this is the Sony A7S III. I ordered it 2 months ago and it's only just arrived in the post. So today it's not going to be a full review. This is just going to be my first outing and test with the camera. So I wanted to share some of the first footage that I get from the camera. I'm going to do it all in H.265 and I've purchased the Sigma 24 to 70mm lens with f2.8. So we'll see how that looks. Let me know if you want to see us do any tests in the comment section below and let me know what you think of the footage. So we've done a bit of filming during the day. I'm going to go back now, offload some of this footage and then come back out and do some low light tests. ISO 2000, ISO 400, 500, 640, 800, 1000, 1250, 1600, 2000, 2500, 3200, 4000, 5000, 6000, 8000, 10,000, 12,800, 1600, 20,000, 25,000, 32,000, 40,000, 512,000, 640,000, and it's overexposed. Looks like daylight.